This video introduces the HVS-DNT. The HVS-DNT is an optional Dante audio card that can be mounted to the HVS-190 series, HVS-490 and HVS Quantum 12. It can remap and mix Dante input audio and SDI input embedded audio, and perform audio mux and DEMUX. It also supports redundant operation. First, what is Dante? Dante is a digital audio network standard developed by HVS-DNT. It transmits and receives multi-channel uncompressed digital audio signals with low latency using an Ethernet cable. Any device that supports the Dante standard can be connected over an Ethernet cable without the need for a dedicated cable. Devices are automatically discovered on the IP network, eliminating the need for complex configuration. The Dante controller enables Dante network configuration and audio routing, allowing different sound sources to be freely mapped and assigned. If your video switcher supports the Dante option, you can take advantage of these sound resources. Now watch a demonstration of the HVS-DNT. First, here is the equipment we will be using. From left to right, a monitor displaying the HVS-190 multiviewer, the HVS-190S and HVS-190OU. In this case, the HVS-DNT is mounted on the HVS-190S. A laptop PC for control, and a Dante-compatible audio mixer and speakers. In addition to the HVS-190's web GUI, the PC contains HVS-DNT's Dante controller, which can control the mixer on the right. Here is a view of the rear of the unit. Compared to the audio-only cable, the wiring is cleaner because the units are connected by LAN cable. Next, we will demonstrate the mapping. First, the MUX. Currently, the video and audio input from SDI are output as is to the program. We will try to mux the audio input from the mixer via the HVS-DNT to this program. As you can see, the audio is input from the Dante controller to the HVS-DNT. This is the Dante options screen of the HVS-190 web GUI. The horizontal axis is the input signal, and the vertical is the output destination. The left side of the screen is the original audio mapping. When the mapping on the right side of the screen is manipulated to switch to the Dante controller's audio, the video remains the same and only the audio is switched. Now switch to the other Dante audio. As you can see, audio can be muxed by manipulating the mapping on the Dante card. Next is DEMUX. From the video and audio output by the program, we will DEMUX only the audio signal and play it through the speaker via the Dante card. First, configure the mapping from the HVS-190 web GUI. The left side of the mapping screen shows the current settings, indicating that the signal input through Dante is output through Dante. We will now map the program's audio to Dante. When the input signal is changed using the mapping screen on the right, the name of the input signal on the left changes from Dante to option, and the program audio is now output from the HVS-DNT as a Dante signal. Next, the mixer settings are configured from the Dante controller. The HVS-DNT on the horizontal axis is mapped to the mixer on the vertical axis. As you can see, the demuxed audio is now playable on the mixer side. Finally, gain control. Gain can be adjusted for the audio signal input to the Dante card. Adding the HVS-DNT to the HVS-190, HVS-490, and HVS-Quantum 12 allows for highly flexible audio signal mapping. Furthermore, a wide range of signals such as AES and NDI can be handled by adding options, expanding the video switcher's range of activities.